What are you doing?
Boob necklace.
Boob necklace? What were you just doing?
Hatching eggs.
Show me that again. I want to see that. So I know how to hatch eggs later. Show me how.
Okay.
I mean, your country lady necklace is nice, but show me how you hatch eggs.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You sit on the thing, you hatch it. That's how you hatch it. Hatch, 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 hatch. There, the chick is going to come out. Hey, baby chick, come out. I'll just get the baby chick out his egg.
Okay.
This is how you hatch eggs. Hatch, hatch. Are you ready to come out?
Who are you talking to? The chickens?
No, to the egg.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready to come out, Birdie?
All right. Mommy has to do laundry, so you think I could have my egg holders back?
Nope. I still need to wear it. It's boob necklace.
Is your boob necklace?
Yeah.
Well, I think every boy would like to have a boob necklace.
Look at my boob necklace. It's long. Goodbye, boob necklace. Goodbye. Goodbye.
All right, give me back my bra. I need it.